So I'm on my way to drop off this box. It's my what do you call it, Louis Vuitton Sirius travel bag. Didn't care to keep it. Somebody wanted to buy it, so yeah, it's in a box, getting ready to be dropped off at FedEx. This is after the clips that you're about to watch, but I'm putting it before because I need some filler, because I accidentally so yesterday when it started to rain, was about to start raining, a drop of water went over the camera lens, so the thing that I recorded looked terrible. So I was just like, yeah, I can't use this. And then it's been raining ever since. Like, it rained, today is Tuesday, it rained Sunday evening, Monday, and it's still raining, and today is Tuesday evening. I believe the clips that you guys are about to watch was yesterday, but it may have been Sunday, so I don't really remember. But yeah, that doesn't really matter. But yeah, it may have been Sunday. Oh yeah, I think it was Sunday after work, and then since it rained all day Monday, I couldn't do anything outside. But yeah, so enjoy the video you're about to watch. Peace. Ho ho ho, motherfuckers, back again with another vlog. Because it's been a couple days, I said I'm gonna be better at recording, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I've mentioned it on the channel, but I stopped eating meat and fish to now only really eat like vegetables and shit. It was 7 weeks this weekend. We're on the 8th week right now, so yeah, it's not too hard because I'm really lazy. You could just eat stuff like yogurt, buy salads that's in a bag, pour it out, throw some salad dressing on it, boom, another meal. Pastas and stuff like that. Cooking meat and salmon for pastas and whatnot takes a lot longer than making something like broccoli, so it's just so easy. It's easier to clean, more things that you could just throw away. So it's just like, for a lazy person, this actually really isn't hard at all. So I don't understand why people act like it's such a task, because nobody ate more salmon than me, like, for being honest. And like crab cakes, salmon burgers, lobster mac, all types of shit like that. Nobody was eating that more than me. And I was just able to give it up like easy. So it's just like, when you really want to do something, you can, as long as you put your mind to it and you have discipline. Because about, 2022, 11 years ago, I used to smoke. And then 420, 2011, typical 420 session. 421, 2011, haven't smoked since. I was like, I'm bored of this, I'm gonna quit. People didn't believe me. That's because people have no willpower and anything like that. Me, on the other hand, can't relate. Lots of willpower, lots of discipline with certain things. So if I want to do something, I'm going to do it. Just like every time I say I want some sort of car, I go get it. Granted, I don't always keep it because I get bored of things, but with things that could actually make my life better, or things that will make me able to spend money on other things, I can do it super easy. And I, for the most part, give no fucks. So yeah, right now we are going to take the rear door cards off because I do have somebody that wants them, and then I'm gonna try and take the front seats out. They're probably monstrously heavy, like 100 pounds each or something. But yeah, once we do that, basically everything will be out, and then I'm gonna see what it will take. I'm gonna start probably taking the center console out, and after that the car's interior will be pretty much stripped. The only things that I have to do after that are remove the rotors and studs, the coilovers, and after the coilovers, I think that's it. The car will be pretty much completely stripped. Not sure if I'm going to bother taking the doors off. I may, but I'm not sure. But yeah, then it's time to get rid of the shell and make space in this place, in the driveway, whatever, you know what I mean. But yeah, I had somebody come and get the headliner yesterday while I was at work. Easy money, didn't have to do anything. But yeah, we're gonna take these door cards off, and I guess that's gonna be it for now. The seats and the center console and the rotors, stud adapters and coilovers, those are going to be different videos because I'm not going to be doing that all today. And again, I want to be uploading more frequently. But yeah, just because I uploaded it on the other thing, I mean, not on the other thing, but I uploaded it already. But for those who didn't see it, we have the front bumper on. It's not on, it's just put on the car, but it's not installed, just to see like how the car looks. But yeah, this thing is really cool. Once I put it together, I'm going to see what CarMax would offer me for it, just to see, or Carvana, CarMax, Carvana, whichever one it is. I'm going to see what they'll offer me for it, just for videos, just for a video. But you know, if they talk to me nice, the thing is gone. Like, the fuck is you talking about? But yeah, I'm rambling, so let me get to doing what I gotta do.